How to ensure your pins always appear when users search for keywords on Pinterest. Let's find out in today's video with Hidemyacc. When users search for keywords, Pinterest will display results based on 4 factors: the quality of the domain of the website linked to the account, the quality of the pin, the quality of the pinner, and lastly, the relevance of the pin to its topic. First, with domain quality, Pinterest will assess the credibility, trustworthiness, and value of the website that your pin links to. This ensures that users are directed to a quality, safe, and useful website. In case you haven't created a website yet, Hidemyacc will share a trick for you in the following section. Next is the quality of the pin, which will be evaluated by various factors such as the level of engagement, including saves, clicks, comments, likes, etc. Pinterest prioritizes displaying fresh content with high-quality images or videos. The third factor is the quality of the pinner. Based on the frequency of posts, the level of engagement on previously posted pins, and so on. The more actively your account is, such as posting frequently and interacting with other accounts or pins, the better. And the final factor is the relevance of the topic. Pinterest will analyze the keywords in the title, product description, and hashtags you use to see if this pin matches the keyword that users are searching for. Although Pinterest's organic traffic is excellent, just like other platforms, you must do SEO well to ensure your pin always appears when users search. Hidemyacc will introduce a useful tool to analyze and support SEO for Pinterest, called Sort Pin. This extension helps you find pins with high engagement for different keywords. What does this help with? You can identify high-performing pins and optimize your own. For example, searching for the keyword keto shows the pins that appear first. These pins have a good level of engagement. You can refer to the design of the pins, such as vertical designs, using bright colors, and having images of specific food items. The title and description both include the main keyword. The link of the pin directs to a website with a specific, detailed article. For those who haven't created a website, you can use shortened links from these websites to add when creating pins. When the pin starts getting traffic, you can replace the link with your own website. When users click the link, it will lead to your website instead of the original website. Please note that you must use link shortening services that allow editing the link. Additionally, to increase initial interaction for the link, you can use interaction exchange services such as AdMeFast. This method is just to generate initial interaction for the pin. You still need to focus on creating quality content and images for the pin. You should also keep in mind the frequency of posting pins. You can post 5 to 10 pins per day. Regularly update new pins, create boards, etc., so your account stays active. Above, Hidemyacc just guided you on how to use the Sort Pin tool to optimize the display of pins on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest videos from Hidemyacc. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact Hidemyacc support via live chat for the quickest assistance. See you in the next videos.